Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to get job ads on LinkedIn BC. Why would you want to know how to get job ads on LinkedIn BC? Well, maybe you are new to LinkedIn. So today I'm going to show you how to get job ads on LinkedIn BC. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, click on your profile and click on setting and privacy. It will take you to a new tab. Okay, now click on advertising data. Okay, click on interest categories. Now, can we use internet categories derived from your profile action from you and same remember to show your related ads such as job ads. Okay, turn it on and go back. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to get job ads on LinkedIn BC, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.